Hello and welcome to Terror TV. I'm your host, Mark. Terror TV brings you the most terrifying real-life terror videos caught on camera. Sit back, but don't relax. And let's get scared.
In a world where home security cameras are becoming more prevalent, what kind of frightening events will they capture? From brazen criminals to bizarre intruders, these are the frightening real-life terror videos caught on doorbell cameras. Get ready for scary videos caught on doorbell camera. In 2019, the homeowner received an alert that someone was at the front door. Judging by the pause, they decided not to answer it. And it's easy to see why. But wait, it's Halloween according to the timestamp in the video, which does the edge of this sighting just a little. But do you still open the door for this character even on the Halloween night? Seems to be talking about something.
Looked in one day and saw you. Oh God, I can't stop.
The mysterious masked person seemed to be pretending something was going on, and wanted to ask for help. Because there was no response, the masked man went back and forth to fulfill his wish. Something happened. The man was doing the action of prying open the door with something. The man insisted on opening it. And the next day, the man tried to open it again. Because of the difficulty of opening it, the man finally left disappointed. Seen a man sneaking around with a flashlight in his hand and carrying something else in his hand. And it looks like the man is looking for something that makes him confused. Looks like the perpetrator with the owner of the house is talking. However, the perpetrator spoke while taking out a sharp weapon in the form of a fairly large knife. Yeah, here the perpetrator saw something that he felt was strange and looked ahead. And then, the perpetrator fell silent and finally left. Seen a boy running towards the house. He too saw something strange around his house. He is confused, like someone is following him in a car. And yes, the car was following the boy. The boy shouted hysterically for his mother and told the perpetrator to stay away from him while throwing something. Then the car following him rushed away, hearing the boy's screams. The boy finally breathed a little relief to see the car that was following him away. There came two men wearing gray jackets, seemed to be sneaking around and planning something bad. But, before doing anything, the perpetrator was barked by the owner's dog. Because the dog kept barking, the perpetrator began to get restless and finally left. Seen a man with a scary face sneaking into the house. The man carried something in his hand and crossed the boundary fence to enter the house, and seemed to want to give it with a sinister face. What did the mysterious man bring about? Seen something smoky shadows and not human form that is very scary. Looks like it's running. And suddenly it just disappeared. This little girl was scared because she saw a bobcat that would approach her.
No, please come open the door. There's a bobcat. I want to come in. I love my mommy.
This little girl whimpered hysterically in fear to enter her house, but no one heard her at all. And finally, the bobcat was picked up by a passing car.